Hello. How amazing would it be if you could influence people to do what you want them to do, not because they have to, but because they want to? Impossible? Come on, nothing is impossible. Here is another challenge from a supervisor who attended our training. How can I get my point across without dictating to my team members? The directive leadership style is often dictatorial, and unfortunately this approach from the industrial age is still very common but not very effective. People cannot be what they don't see. It seems like the supervisor doesn't have the best role models around him. You know the saying, we reap what we sow. That's it. How you interact with people, that's how they will respond. So what do I recommend in this situation? Number 1, focus on the person, not just the task. I understand you are under a lot of pressure, but people will go through fire for you if they sense that you care. Number 2, build rapport with the person. If people resist, there is a lack of rapport. Find common ground and be willing to learn more about people's personal lives, challenges, motivations, and needs. Number 3, always explain the why. The most frustrating thing is when people have to do something and it doesn't make any sense to them. If your current approach is working for you, then by all means continue. If you are facing similar challenges as this supervisor, you may want to consider my advice. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.